Upgrade your driving experience with our selection of top car accessories and gadgets. Whether you're a daily commuter or enjoy hitting the open road, these innovative devices are designed to enhance your comfort, convenience, and safety while on the go. From cutting-edge technology to practical additions, we've handpicked a range of accessories that will transform your car into a smart and stylish haven. Get ready to embark on a journey of driving excellence with these essential car accessories and gadgets. Safely and securely mount your phone in your car with the IoT Easy One Touch 4 Dash and Windshield Universal Car Mount. This versatile mount features a strong suction cup and an adjustable arm, allowing you to position your phone at the perfect angle for easy viewing. The one-touch mechanism securely grips your phone with just a single touch, providing a stable and secure hold. Whether you need to navigate, make hands-free calls, or access your favorite apps, the IoT Easy One Touch 4 Car Mount keeps your phone within reach and your hands on the wheel. Capture every moment on the road with the Kingslim D5 4K Dashcam. This front dash camera for cars records stunning 4K Ultra HD video footage, ensuring crystal clear images and details. With built-in GPS and speed tracking, you can accurately document your route and driving speed. The dashcam features Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to easily access and download footage to your smartphone or tablet. Drive with confidence and have a reliable witness with the Kingslim D5 4K Dashcam. Upgrade your car's infotainment system with the Motorola May 1 wireless Android Auto Car adapter. This innovative device enables wireless Android Auto connectivity, eliminating the need for a USB cable connection. Simply plug the adapter into your car's USB port and pair it with your Android smartphone. You can then enjoy hands-free calling, navigation, and access to your favorite apps directly from your car's display. With the Motorola May 1 wireless Android Auto Car adapter, you can stay connected and entertained on the road. Ensure your RV's tire pressure is always at the optimal level with the Tire Mender i10 RV TPNS. This tire pressure monitoring system provides real-time tire pressure and temperature readings for up to 10 tires simultaneously. The system sends alerts to your display unit if there are any abnormalities or potential issues with your RV's tires. With its easy installation and accurate monitoring, the Tire Mender i10 RV TPNS helps enhance safety and performance during your RV adventures. Be prepared for unexpected emergencies with the STNLUE F8TMX J7CS Portable Power Station Jump Starter. This versatile device functions as a jump starter, power station, and air compressor. It can jumpstart your car's dead battery, power your electronic devices, and even inflate your tires. With its compact and portable design, it's a handy tool to have in your car for road trips or emergencies. Stay powered up and on the move with the STNLUE F8TMX J7CS Portable Power Station Jump Starter. Keep your car's battery charged and maintained with the NOCO Genius One Smart Car Battery Charger. This 1-amp charger is designed to charge and maintain various types of car batteries, including lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries. It features advanced charging technology that automatically detects and delivers the optimal charge for your battery. The charger also includes safety features such as spark-proof and reverse polarity protection. Keep your car's battery in optimal condition with the NOCO Genius One Smart Car Battery Charger. Keep your car clean and free of dust and debris with the Black Plus Decker Dust Buster Advanced Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. This portable vacuum cleaner features a powerful motor and a 4x more powerful suction compared to previous models. It includes a washable filter and a translucent dirt bowl that allows you to easily see when it's time to empty. The cordless design offers convenience and flexibility, allowing you to reach every corner of your car. Maintain a clean and tidy car interior with the Black Plus Decker Dust Buster Advanced Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. And there you have it. Our top car accessories and gadgets. With these innovative tools at your disposal, your driving experience will never be the same. From advanced navigation systems and hands-free devices to safety-enhancing dashcams and stylish interior upgrades, these accessories will make your time on the road more enjoyable, efficient, and secure. So gear up, hit the accelerator, and embrace the future of driving with the help of these exceptional car accessories and gadgets. Happy and safe travels!